Here we have the Cuisinart Coffee Maker, you guys. The red light went on. It means you need to clean it. So we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to clean it in this video. So the first step you want to do is go ahead and take out the carbon filter from the very top. All we have to do is flip the lid, and you guys could see in this left corner right here, this is the carbon filter. So this needs to be removed and off to the side before we start anything. That's step number 1 right there. Okay, so step number 2 is we need to make a little mixture of vinegar. Okay, so right now I have 8 cups. We're gonna actually make a 1-part cleaning with the vinegar right here, meaning I'm gonna have 1 part vinegar and then 2 parts water right here. So since it's 8 cups, we're gonna put 4 cups of vinegar, and then we're gonna go ahead and pour it in. Okay, so just like that, you guys, we have 12 cups. So we have 4 cups vinegar and 8 cups of water. We're gonna go ahead and pour it in now. Okay, so once we have the mix in there, and you guys can see it's almost 12 full cups right here. I did spill a little bit, nothing too crazy going on here. We wanna make sure the lid is back on here, and then we're gonna put it right in here like so. We are gonna close the top up. Okay, so now we're ready for the first cleaning, and all we have to do is hold the red clean button. Okay, you're gonna see the flashing red light, and that means it's gonna begin the cleaning process. You guys can see the cleaning process has already started, so we're gonna wait till this whole thing fills up right here. As you guys can see, we just finished up right there. It took 30 minutes to finish the whole cycle. And you guys could see the red clean light is off. Everything turned blue. That means we're good to go. Be careful with this because this is hot water now. But all we're going to do is take this out and we're going to dump it. So now what we want to do is we want to fill up the reservoir of clean water. We're going to leave the carbon filter out. And you guys could see I have 12 cups of water. So we're gonna go ahead and close the top, and then we're gonna brew this, and we're gonna let it cycle once more. Okay, you guys, we're fully done. It just beeped. That means the cycle is good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and dump that hot water out in a second. You guys can see all the steam. It just finished up right now. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the carbon filter now. All we have to do is push it all the way down, make sure it's nice and seated, and then we're gonna be good to go after this, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.